Hey guys, it's Alicia SoyCal, the Alicia Company at Long & Foster, and today I am excited to introduce Billy Salter, the owner of the Juice Laundry in RVA. And it's actually the 5th location, and there are three
in Charlottesville,
and then
one in DC,
and we
were the first Richmond location.
We're the first Richmond location. So if you're from Charlottesville, you probably already checked it out. But this is really cool. It's actually right down the street from U of R, right off River Road. It's a really cool venue. It has great places to gather, places for people to hang out. It's not just grabbing your juice and going, but what I love is that everything is sustainable, right? You said that you compost everything, you can recycle it. They use glass bottles, which I think is so cool. I'm like obsessed with it. Glass bottles, and you can recycle it and bring your bottles back. And they compost all of the utensils and all the belongings, which I think is fantastic. And if you're a big recycler like me and my family, then this is it checks a lot of boxes.
Yep.
I love that you are 100% organic, dairy-free, nut-free, all the things that if you're allergic to, this is the place you need to come to, right? But just tell me a little bit about the background of it and how you got into this business and why do people need to come check out the Juice Laundry?
Sure, absolutely. Well, the two things we really focus on is providing folks the cleanest, rawest food possible.
Okay.
So everything that you consume in the Juice Laundry, like you said, is 100% organic, 100% vegan, dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, non-GMO, and peanut-free.
Okay.
So whatever kind of allergy you have, or if you're just trying to have get some more healthy food in your body, this is a great place to come.
And you have juices, smoothies, some salads and acai bowls.
Salads, acai bowls, cold pressed juices.
Okay.
We do house-made nut milks in a lot of different flavors.
Juice cleanses.
We do juice cleanses for 1, 2, or 3 days. We'll set you up with the juice cleanse. We have some dynamite vegan chili.
Okay.
We have a kale Caesar salad.
I like it.
So if you're a little hungry for lunch, we got something for you too.
That's great. So if you're trying to be healthy, I know we're going into the holiday season with a lot of people eating a lot of heavy foods, rich foods. You can come in and clean it out with having a juice.
A juice cleanse. Some of my customers right over here just came in. Did a 3-day cleanse.
Yeah.
I feel amazing.
You do. Energy is amazing. I've done them before, and I'm a big advocate of being healthy and treating your body right. Mm-hmm. What goes in will produce, energy later.
Sure. Yeah. It just does it resets your digestive system.
Yes.
And you'll find that coming off a juice cleanse, you won't want to eat as much.
Yeah.
So it's also a good way to reset your calorie control.
Okay.
Your portion control. Just a great way to kind of reset yourself after the busy holidays.
I love it. And I just wanted to let you guys know, because there are other juice places in Richmond, but this is a really neat central location because you can actually hang out too, which I love.
Yeah, we're in the River Road Shopping Center, right by Mosaic. A lot of people know Mosaic.
Yep, right next door.
2 doors down.
Plenty of parking.
Lots of parking. We got USB outlets everywhere. You can plug your devices in and come sit. We built this place to be a hangout place.
And then this is not pasteurized, so it's super fresh. It actually has a date on it, best consumed by 11/28, which I love. And this is called Clean Green, number 2, which has kale, spinach, cucumber, celery, apple, parsley, ginger, lemon. It's delicious. So I juice at home, and I'm a big juicer, and so you also have like entry-level juices for people that are learning to juice, because sometimes it's a little intimidating, I think, right?
Yeah, it can be.
It can be. And you can guide people through that as well.
Yes, so you're drinking like hardcore green. There's probably 4 or 5 salads worth of produce in there. But we also have fruit-forward juices that are a little lighter, more on the refreshing side than the dense greens.
Yes, and my kids love juice. So I think you start them young and you get them accustomed to the taste, and they'll be healthy their whole life. And we're excited as your entry into Richmond here. We're going to do a giveaway. So for anybody that likes and shares this video, we're going to enter you into a drawing for a $25 gift card, so you can get your tail down here and try it out.
Absolutely.
And tell all your friends. And we appreciate you checking it out, and happy holidays.
Thanks, everybody.